The current centrifugal compressor's anti-surge protection systems give a limited vision of operative parameters and their related conditions of danger. A vision limited on a particular fixed reference status. Limited because it does not foresee effects of possible variations in chemical gas composition. Limited because it does not forecast the consequent change of the compressor behavior when it works out of its reference conditions. These systems base every evaluation necessary for the protection from surge on an approximate relation among some main operative parameters, a relation that is considered fixed and invariable. But in severe applications and in conditions of variability of inlet parameters, such as gas mix composition, inlet temperature, or inlet pressure, the current systems may not be able to assure the adequate protection from surge. IPC introduces SPS, a sophisticated control and protection system with a different vision. SPS is able to respond in real time to every process parameter's variation. By using sophisticated thermodynamic theories, advanced algorithms for compressor modeling and vibration monitoring, ensuring the total compressor protection. Furthermore, thanks to innovative auto-diagnostic logics, SPS is able to check the proper compressor functioning and to detect possible machine degradation. SPS, the most innovative system for total anti-surge protection. The future is now.